Human excretory system. Human excretory system is comprised of a pair of kidneys, ureters, and a urinary bladder. The kidneys are connected to two different types of blood vessels called aorta and vena cava. They bring and carry away the blood from kidneys. Inside the kidneys, there are fine filtering units called nephrons. In this video, we will see the different parts of human excretory system and learn the function of each. This is aorta. It brings oxygenated blood to the kidneys. This is vena cava. It collects the deoxygenated blood from the kidneys. These are kidneys. They filter the blood and separate the toxic materials like urea, uric acid, and creatinine. Kidneys contain small filtering units called nephrons. This is ureter. It collects the urine formed in the kidneys and passes it into the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. It is a bag-like structure in which the collected urine is stored temporarily. This is urethra. This is the passage through which the urine is excreted out. Next, let us look at the filtering units of kidney, that is nephron. Nephrons are the functional unit of kidneys. This is branch of renal artery. They are also called afferent arterioles. They bring oxygenated blood into the nephrons. This is glomerulus. The afferent arterioles further divide into capillaries. These capillaries form the glomerulus. This is Bowman's capsule. It is a cup shape formed around the glomerulus. It aids in the process of filtration. Branch of renal vein. It forms the peritubular capillaries. The venous system begins from here. This is the tubular part of nephron. In this part, the reabsorption of minerals and essential nutrients takes place. These are collecting ducts. These ducts connect the nephrons to the minor calyx or renal pelvis. The urine formed in the nephrons is collected by these ducts. This is all about the different parts of human excretory system and the different parts of the nephron. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.